This video will show you how to quickly and easily move large numbers of documents from your local drive to Clio and Faster Drive. To begin importing documents, click Migrations on the Faster Drive ribbon, then click Move My Docs Myself. The Move My Docs window has three main panels. The left panel shows all files and folders in the source folder. The middle panel shows all files and folders in the destination folder, and the right panel lets you adjust the settings for the migration. First, you should select your source folder. Click the Browse button located here and select the folder containing everything you want to move to Clio and Faster Drive, then click OK. Next, select your destination folder. This is done the same way, but instead, you use this Browse button. You can see that in my example, my migration folder corresponds directly to my Faster Drive. Both are organized by attorney, then by status, then by matter. If your Faster Drive is not organized the same way as your local storage, you can watch our tutorial video entitled Configuring Faster Drive File Settings to learn how to set this up. Once your folders are selected, you will need to tell Move My Docs which folders should be moved to which folders. Move My Docs has an artificial intelligence algorithm built in for you to use that can usually predict the corresponding folder. To use this tool, expand the folders on both panels until you can see the individual matter folders. Now, you can click the Predict button next to each matter to automatically map the folders. You can see that when I click Predict for my Aaron Aronson folder, the corresponding folder in Faster Drive is automatically selected. Next, I have another folder for Aaron Aronson, but his last name is listed first. Clicking Predict for this folder still maps correctly to his folder in Faster Drive. Now let's look at my Luke Abraham folder. As you can see, my folder in Faster Drive has his name spelled differently as Lucas and is listed with his last name first. Move My Docs is still able to correctly discern the file path for this folder. Finally, when I click Predict for the folder called Smith, Move My Docs maps to the Alan Smith immigration matter. In this case, the mapping is incorrect. Move My Docs did find a good match for this folder based on the information it was given, but the files in my Smith folder actually correspond to the Jack Smith divorce matter. Since I was not specific enough in my folder name on my local drive, Move My Docs found the closest match in Faster Drive. It is important that the person migrating documents for your firm be familiar with what matter each folder is related to so they can review the predictions and make changes as necessary in situations where the closest match is not correct. If the closest match is incorrect, you can undo the mapping by clicking the box next to the matter name in the source folder. Then, to create your own mapping, click the folder you want to move from your source folder, in this case, Smith, then click the corresponding folder in your destination folder, in this case, Jack Smith Divorce. You can see that the path is now mapped. If we want to, we can continue creating manual mappings using this same process. Once all desired folders are mapped to their destinations, click Execute Plan to start the document migration. Once this process is finished, you can go back to the Move My Docs window and click Rename as completed. This will automatically rename all migrated folders to indicate that they've already been moved.